Okay, hey guys, Lego Ninja here. I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Nerf Doomlands Persuader, obviously. We get my little tool out. Hopefully without hurting myself. Open. And there's the blaster itself. Questioning how to get the darts out. Actually opening the box. There we go. Look at that. Destroy the thing, it's okay. Well, there doesn't appear to be any instructions. That's okay. I'm sure I know how to use a blaster. So included we have the blaster itself and the 4 Nerf Elite Doomlands darts. So overview, we have the 4 front-loading barrels there. I guess some sort of iron sight type thing, the N-Shock tactical rail, the trigger here, handle, and then the priming mechanism. Priming, just put it down like so. To load, simply put the darts in the front barrel, like so. And then pull the trigger to blast the dart. And repeat. Like so. And there's this cool clear part here, so you can see inside the blaster, which is pretty cool. Nerf Doomlands Persuader usage demonstration. Loading darts. Hoping the camera can see this. Prime fire. Using blue Elite darts now. Some more blue Elite darts. Hopefully it's not too dark on the video. Ow! The priming mechanism hit my thumb. And now some AccuStrike darts. I'm not worrying about accuracy too much. A green zombie strike dart. And these suction cup darts. Just pulling out one of these suction cup darts. Let's try that again. Hey! I have a couple more in here. That's cool. Let's do that again. Stay in there. Up. I think that's all my variations. So, final thoughts of this Doomlands Persuader. I haven't had a chance to use it in a battle or anything like that. I did put 50 darts through it, and I didn't really have too many issues with it. And it is kind of cool. You can pick up darts off the ground and just put in and use them. So if you're running low on ammo, you can just pick some up off the ground and put in the barrel. Trying not to hit the lights here and use, or you can. It's quick and easy to load. The grip, I don't mind it. The trigger's pretty good too. Nice and easy, nice big trigger. The attack rail on the top is pretty cool, and the fact you can see inside, see all the moving parts. It's your prime and blast, and a little bit there to clip onto or whatever. I assume that's what it's for. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it's the kind of blaster I would use when any of my clip-fed blasters run out of darts, or I empty out all my clips and drums. So as I said, you can pick the darts up off the ground, put them in real quick, easy, good to go. So I think that covers all my personal thoughts on it. Don't want to hit the camera here, that'd be bad. But yeah, so I look forward to using it in a battle, and when I get the chance to, I'll let you know how it went. So I do believe this marks the end of another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Let me know what you thought in the comments. If you didn't like it, dislike. Let me know why. There's a link to my Twitter page down below, Discord server if you want to join that and have a chat with me. So yeah, till next time, Lego Ninja out.